Okay Google, what is RoboCircuits?
On the website robocircuits.com, they say, RoboCircuits is a electronics learning page.
This video is sponsored by Altium. More on this later.
Are you annoyed of those 4 lights on the Google Home Mini smart speaker which only glows in white color and want something exciting like the Alexa smart speaker? I will show you exactly how to make smart lights for your Google Home Mini in just under $5 or 350 Indian rupees. Spoiler alert, those can be installed in any speaker you want. So in this video we are going to make smart lights for our Google Home Mini smart speaker, and I will show you exactly how to do it. But before you begin, make sure to hit the subscribe button if you haven't done it yet, and don't forget the bell icon. What are you waiting for? Let's go! Recently I bought a Google Home Mini smart speaker. I really liked it in the starting. Then one day I went to my friend's house and saw an Alexa smart speaker. And then I realized the lights on the Alexa were a bit better than the ones on the Google Home Mini. And I felt something is missing and something needs to be done with it. I was exploring through my stuff and found this. This is a RGB LED ring. This LED ring was made by DF Robot, the same company which provides the MacWin robot and the MaxBot, which is placed right here. Let's move forward. The RGB LED ring seems perfect for this task. It has almost the same diameter as the Google Home Mini smart speaker and also has a mic installed on it. If you want to make this, you can also buy a LED strip and a mic separately. I will drop down all the links for the products in the description of this video. I use the Arduino Nano because of its small size. Coming back to the RGB ring, the P0 is for the buzzer, the P1 is for the mic, and the P2 is for the RGB LED strip. My idea is something like this. The mic will listen to the audio output of the speaker and the signal will be an analog signal. We will map that signal according to the number of LEDs on the ring. Then the LEDs will light up according to the amplitude of the signal. For doing this, I connected the P2 with the Arduino's digital pin number 6 and the P1, which is the output of the mic, with the analog input or A0. In order to make everything compact, I used small wires and soldered them.
A PCB can change an ugly, fragile, and an unsellable project into beautiful, strong, and sellable product. For designing a PCB, one must have a great PCB designing software, which meets all industrial standards. Altium is a PCB and electronic design automation software, which is also known as EDA, specially for printed circuit boards. Altium Designer have a huge library of components from manufacturers all over the world so that you can make schematics, PCB designs, FPGAs, and much more, even in 3D. Now you can also be a professional or a pro in PCB designing with Altium. Try 1 month free with the link in the description.
We will read audio signal from the mic using the pin analog A0, and that value will range from 0 to 1023. Upon real inspection, it was actually 190 to 320. So I mapped that signal into the number of LEDs, which means from 190 to 320 into 0 to 24, and only those LEDs will light up according to the signal. This was as simple as that. Let's see how it performs in the real world. I uploaded the code on the Arduino and played some music to the speaker. You can find the code by the link in the description. I can't turn the audio due to some copyright issues. But believe me, it is awesome. Try it yourself. These lights look super amazing, and here are some of the demos. I mounted both the speaker as well as the lights with using nails on the wall. Okay Google, turn off lights. Okay Google, turn on lights. Okay Google, turn on fan.
Alright, turning the fan on.
Okay Google, turn off fan.
Okay, turning the fan off.
And I don't want to brag, but it's great. These lights make speaker more attractive, and also we can do a lot of things with these. Let me know in the comment section how you did it to make it more attractive. So this was it for this video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button if you haven't did it yet. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.